Hi, welcome to VBS Sri Sai Academy Spoken English classes. Today, this is the first session, first day class about the helping verb am. Here, am is one of the helping verb. I subject after in present tense it follows. We are ready to use after the subject I in present tense only this helping verb. So today the session is about the am helping verb and its 6 kinds of sentences in our daily life. Then the second one is helping verb and main verb sentences. Those are also 6 kinds. The first one is I am a student. This is a statement or assertive sentence. I after following helping verb in present tense am. So I am a student. So it's a negation. I meant a student. I meant a student. It is a negation. Then third one, why I am a student. This is question word sentence. Then interrogation is am I a student? Am I a student? So this is a interrogation. Then interrogation negation. Am not I a student? Am not I a student? This is a interrogation negation. And the final one is why I am not a student. This is question negation. It's okay. So observe it. The first one, that is statement or assertive. I am a student. Then the second one, negation. I meant a student. Then the third one, question word. Why I am a student. Then the fourth one, interrogation. Am I a student? Then the fifth one, interrogation negation. Am not I a student. Am not I a student. Then the final one is question negation. So here, why I meant a student. It's okay. So then here, I subject after following helping verb is in present tense am only. Keep in your mind. Then these 6 varieties of sentences, 6 kinds of sentences in our daily life, we must use these sentences. It's okay. So next one is helping verb, then main verb. Same in present tense. Those are also in 6 kinds of sentence in our daily life. They are, the first one is I am reading spoken English. I am reading spoken English. That is a statement. I am not reading spoken English. This is a negation. Then why I am reading spoken English. This is question word. Then interrogation is am I reading spoken English? Am I reading spoken English? Then interrogation negation. Am not I reading spoken English. Am not I reading spoken English. Then the final one is why I am not reading spoken English. It's okay. So once again, I am reading spoken English. This is a statement. Its negation is I am not reading spoken English. Then question word is why I am reading spoken English. Then fourth one, interrogation is am I reading spoken English? The way is asking style or asking way is am I reading spoken English? So here it's a interrogation negation. Am not I reading spoken English. Am not I reading spoken English. Then the final one is, that is question word negation. Why I not reading spoken English. It's okay. Next one is only main verb sentence in present tense only. I read spoken English. This is a statement or assertive. I don't read spoken English. So here see, without helping verb, only the main verb. So at that time, we wanted to change into that sentence in negation. So at that time, don't. Read is a present one. So inside of that present main verb, do is hidden. So that way, we try to separate that do and read. We wanted to express as a negation. So at that time, do plus not don't. So here, I don't read spoken English. This is a negation. Why I read spoken English? Question word. Next interrogation. Do I read spoken English? Do I read spoken English? That is interrogation. Interrogation negation, that is don't I read spoken English? Don't I read spoken English? Then the final one, that is why I don't read spoken English? This is a question word negation sentence. So once again, the first one is statement, that is I read spoken English. Second one, negation, that is I don't read spoken English. Then the third one, question word, why I read spoken English. Then interrogation, do I read spoken English? It's a negation, don't I read spoken English? It's a question word, why I don't read spoken English. It's okay. Now these sentences structure. First one is statement. Its structure is subject I plus helping verb am plus object. It's okay. So then that is the statement structure in present tense only. I subject after. It's okay. Then negation. Its structure subject I plus helping verb am plus not plus object. Here compared to statement and negation, not we are adding after the helping verb amn't. It's okay. So here that is the statement second one structure. Now the third one, that is question word or WH question words plus subject I plus helping verb am plus object. It's okay. So here that is the question word sentence structure. Then the fourth one is interrogation. Its structure is helping verb am or do plus subject I plus object. Then fourth one, that is interrogation negation. Its structure helping verb am or do plus not plus subject I plus object. It's okay. Then final one, that is question word negation. Here question word WH question word so plus subject I plus helping verb am plus not plus object. It's okay. So that is the question word negation sentence. So this is the structure chart of in present tense sentences only. This is the day 1 spoken English session. Thank you everybody.